So you are a small YouTuber struggling to get views no matter how many times you post. You're pouring all your time into your videos, you're doing what everybody says, you've really been consistent, but yet your views are still stuck. And it's really frustrating, right? Now, I'm going to be telling you the real reason you are not getting any views. And it's not because you are not trying hard enough. And this is something that you may not find online anywhere, especially if you are a small YouTuber still trying to find your audience. And in this video, I am going to be sharing that with you. Now, you can take it from me because this is something that I discovered myself and I've implemented in my channel. And this has helped to boost my channel growth. Now, here's the truth about YouTube. YouTube is not just a platform where effort equals to reward. So it doesn't matter how many videos you post. If you're not doing it right, you may not get the results you're looking for. It's a platform where your strategy involves growth. Now, when I started on YouTube, I was desperately trying to get a viral video. I just wished that if I could get one viral video, like if just one video would skyrocket to like thousands of views, then my channel would definitely blow up, and that is when I can grow on YouTube. But I discovered that even without having a viral video, you can still get your channel to grow significantly. Because in fact, till now, I've not still had a viral video yet, and my channel has grown 10 times than it was in the last 60 days, using one core strategy that most small YouTubers overlook. Now, the thing is, as a small YouTuber, you want to focus on viewer interaction and viewer satisfaction. It's something simple that you've probably heard before, but in this video, I'm going to be breaking it into the nitty-gritty details so you can understand better. Now, here's what you are probably doing. You are posting what you want to post, and you are ignoring what the viewers or what your potential viewers actually want to see. Instead, you want to focus on audience behavior within your niche. What exactly do your audience want to see? You can have a really good video, a well-edited video, fancy, perfect thumbnails, but if it's not what your viewers want to see, that video will not really get any form of interaction, and that video will not get views. Now, as much as YouTube is an SEO platform, which is super important, it is as well a recommendation platform. And this is super important because it doesn't matter if you have just 5 subscribers, as long as you are focusing on what your viewers want and how satisfied your viewers are with your videos, then you are most likely to see increased growth in your videos. So let's take, for example, if you post a video right now and 5 people watch it. And when I mean 5 people, I don't mean your friends and your family. I mean, you post a video, you optimize that video, give the algorithm as much information as it needs to understand what that video is about. And based on what you've optimized, the algorithm pulls your videos to an audience that it feels would be interested in such videos based on their watch history. If you get those people to interact with your videos, you get them to click on your videos, you get them to watch your videos, that alone is an indication to YouTube that your video is actually what viewers want, which is viewer interaction. Now, let's say they even give it a like, a comment, they share it to their friends, will now determine viewer satisfaction. That not just are they interested in this video, they actually got some form of satisfaction that they wanted by watching your video. And this is what YouTube is about. YouTube is viewer-centered. It wants to push videos to people who are interested in such videos that you would possibly find value or get some satisfaction in. So if you are a small YouTuber and you leverage on these 2 things, then that is where you start growing. Because if YouTube sees that 5 persons interacted with your videos and there's some level of satisfaction, YouTube would then recommend it to 50 more persons or 10 more persons. And if, of course, it tests that same 10 more persons and it's the same viewer interaction, the same viewer satisfaction, and it's good, it will then keep pushing it further. And that is one way that you want to be able to grow or boost your video views fast as possible. You want to know the viewers come back to watch your videos, because once viewer watches one of your videos, YouTube will immediately think that your channel is important to that viewer. So it will possibly recommend another of your video. And this is important because in terms of satisfaction, you want to be pushing out videos that your viewers want, which is why I tell people it's not just by posting content. You need to post content that viewers will interact with and viewers will be satisfied with. Now, just like I said, you want to be able to find out what your viewers want. What are they searching for? What is their pain point? What problem are they trying to solve? And this is a key thing or a key way to quickly get your videos in front of the right audience very fast. And I have done like a step-by-step breakdown on the strategy that worked for me and would work for you, especially as a small YouTuber. How you can find what people are searching for within your niche, how you can ensure as much consistent views as possible, and also how you can deliver your videos such that viewers get some level of satisfaction, or you get enough retention on your videos as much as possible to signal to the algorithm that your videos are actually giving some level of satisfaction. And I've explained all of that in my strategy guide. I'll be leaving that in the description as well as in the comment section. So if you want to stop guessing and start growing the right way with a strategy, then click the link in my description and go get the guide. Ciao.